Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. Sugi as the project initiator and Mr. Gilang as the project manager. Respected lecturer and everyone present today. We are group PBL TRPL 209 and today we would like present the progress of our project titled Para, a web-based equipment and room loan management system. Our team consists of Rajis Sujara Fit. I am as team leader and I was contributing to creating activity diagram, designing the user interface, and implementing the user interface. And then Zaki Asalamsyah Putra Ifga Brata as member, contributing user interface along with implementation and database structure. Stephen Akbar as member and contributing in the project is the designing the class diagram and assist the preparing SKPPL document. Angelica Sun as a member contributing in the project is use case along with scenario and assist preparing SKPPL document. Atina Zahra as a member contributing in the project is create interface, user interface and implementation and assist at preparing SKPPL document. Spara is developed to simplify and equipment borrowing process digitally, and user can submit requests online, while authorized staff can review approval, monitor availability, and manage borrowing record efficiently.
Okay, next, I will explain the functional requirement. We have identified 15 functional requirements for this application. Some main features include login and logout for all users, loan request submission and cancellation, multi-stage approval process. Next slide, please. Okay, in addition, loan status tracking, equipment and room data management, report and calendar schedule, loan cancellation by the head of general affairs. Overall, this feature help make the borrowing process more organized and efficient. Thank you.
Okay, next I will explain the non-functional requirement. The first is the system is designed to run 24 hours a day, except during maintenance. The second, it use a user-friendly interface in Bahasa Indonesia and a please role-based access with password hashing. The third is the system support at least 100 simultaneous users, load specs within 10 seconds, and is compatible with major browsers. The last is it is also responsive and accessible on desktop and mobile device.
Next, I will explain the use case diagram of our application. So our application Spara has 5 main actors. The first is the borrower. The second is the loan coordinator. The third is PIC. The fourth is General Affairs Administrator. And last is Head of General Affairs. So borrowers can submit requests and track the status of their request. And next, the approvers can validate requests in stages. So the first one to approve the request is the loan coordinator, and then goes to PIC, and the last one to approve is the General Affairs Administrator. And then the General Affairs Administrator also can manage the rooms, equipments, schedules, and the reports. And last is the Head of General Affairs, can monitor all activities and cancel approved loans if it's necessary.
Okay, next I will explain the table structure and relationship between entities using an entity relationship diagram. This application has 3 main tables: user, loan, and approval. The user table applying the specialization, including college student, loan coordinator, PIC, General Affairs Administrator, and Head of Affairs Administrators. There is also a table to clarify the main tables, which include study programs, departments, equipment, rooms, building, and floor. The database consists of several main tables, such as users for storing account data, rooms for rooms information, equipment for equipment data, loan requests for borrowing submissions. These tables are connected to support the borrowing process efficiently and systematically.
Here's some our documentation we had with team, project manager, and our client. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for attention.